Yo, just came to start up my bus. Got snow all in the seat. The window was cracked open. That's my fault. Whoops. Shit. Let this shit go. Let the bus glow like 3-4 times. Get those intake heaters hot. Oh shit. Start. Good. Woo. Wow, look at this seat, man. Shit. Yo, what up? Fucking cold. Snowstorm out here, January 2016. I'll make sure my bus start up. It's running. Yeah, they talk about 16, 18 inches, man. What? Crazy out here. I'm gonna just let my bus warm up a little bit. And move it, rock it around, and then park it right back. Alright. Right now the bus is saying it's 16 degrees outside. Alright, letting it warm up a little bit. We're gonna hit this button here. This is to like test all the lights. It's an easy way to do your pre-trip inspection. Let's go outside. That's a train passing over. All the lights in the front work. High beam, low beam, amber lights, red lights. Stop signs work. Okay, the indicator light here, the amber. And at the rear, you have the red indicator light. Stop sign works. There we go. All the lights work. The newer buses are equipped with that button. You could just hit the button, test all the lights. That's how you do like a little semi pre-trip. Plus you gotta hit the tires, make sure the tires are good, check all the windows, you know, make sure all the mirror brackets are secured, glasses aren't cracked. That's it.